Hey there guys, it's Nudging here. Today we're going to be checking out the sounds for the Mega Knight Cannon Cart Skeleton Barrel and the Flying Machine. Now these, I don't have gameplay for these yet because I don't have the developer version, but I figured I'd just give you the sounds for each of them and telling you which each of them is. So let's go start with the Cannon Cart. So this is what happens when you deploy it. This is the sound it makes. Okay, and this is what happens when it rolls around, moves, whatever. You can imagine that, I don't know. I know it's from Clash of Clans, that's it. Skeleton Barrel. So these are two pop sounds, sorry about that. Two popping sounds for the thing. What it sounds like. Alright, now we can go to the Mega Knight. And this one has a couple more. Here's its attack sounds or different attacks. Alright, this is the big hit one, which is probably its jumping hit. When it jumps and hits something, that's what it happened. I guess that's what happens when it hits it. Remember, these are all subject to change because they haven't been released yet. I have no clue what that means. Dep SFX. I don't know. Comment down below if you know what that is. Mega Knight hit. Pretty easy, normal attack. Mega Knight jump. That's alright. Mega Knight prep. Oh, that's probably the sound it makes after it deploys. Alright, and for the last one, which is the Flying Machine, which is like basically a flying dart goblin. That's what it sounds like when it's flying through. Yeah. Alright, that's about it guys. Thanks you guys for watching this video, and I will see you all later.